Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome Music Lab and picking Songmaker. This gets you immediate access to a piano grid. Set tempo around 120 to 140 BPM to create tension, and choose a minor scale so notes sound eerie rather than bright. Once done, use a 4 or 8 measure loop so motifs repeat. Make sure the grid snap is enabled so your timing stays tight. This prevents accidental offbeat notes and keeps the rhythm mechanical and creepy. Next, you build the theme, place a simple melody in the upper register, and add a sustained bass line underneath to anchor the mood. Use dissonant intervals such as a minor second or tritone in brief accents to simulate sudden tension. This is why jump scares hit harder. Then add sparse percussion, woodblock or click, on half or quarter notes to simulate footsteps or machinery. Once balanced, reduce reverb on melody and increase on ambience to keep clarity while preserving eeriness. To finish, you focus on dynamics and export. Manually soften repeated bars and accent key hits so the track breathes and surprises the listener. Once satisfied, export as WAV or MP3 and trim leading/trailing silence to ensure a seamless loop when used in a game. If you encounter timing drift, quantize the affected notes or reconstruct those measures instead of over-editing, and always save incremental versions so you can revert. This guards against corruption and preserves your best iterations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.